we can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, and today we are doing the setup. I hope the lighting is okay. It is like at night but we are decorating it. I was like decorating and setting up. I was starting to decorate it, and then I was like, oh, I need to record this, so thanks for bearing with me. So make sure I'm in frame. Okay, I hope you guys can see. And yes, thank you for clicking on my video. I know there's a whole bunch of stuff all around me. I get it. I know, messy. I'm a little clutterful when it comes to me doing my thing, but this is what I'm doing. I know we did the sticker unboxing for my planners, and I am going to use them for my budget planner also. And I do have another planner for content creation. So this is for my budget, and I have like my Hope in 2 Weeks and my cousin. So this is just me setting up January's budget and decorating the front of it, and then we'll go over what I have, because I've also kind of filled it out. I can't really think of any 4 more goals. Like, what are your guys' goals for next year, your financial goals? And then I have like all my bills already kind of set up, and my trackers and everything. So right now I'm just decorating the front of it. But thank you so much for clicking on my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Likes help me grow. I like likes over here. And don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just gonna be decorating everything.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for for takes back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no game, no game. I wanna fall in love, vulnerable in love. Do you want classy? Do you want nasty, babe? I'll give you options. I'll be a perfect day. I'm yours till the night fades. Whoa, don't let it fade. No shame and no game. I wanna fall vulnerable. Giggling softly. Could you be laughing at me, or we just giddy? Butterflies flapping in me. Don't stop what you're doing. Yeah, what you doing to me? Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I'd lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
We finally decorated it. That's the first page. That's the second page. I really like how this turned out. This one's cute. Okay. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Okay. Setting up next week's budget. We already took a look at like the annual tracker. All right. Hey, I'll see y'all later. Bye.